My name is Che Albright, and I'm the Associate Pastor here at Southern Pines United Methodist Church. One of the wonderful things about Scripture is the beautiful story of God's great redeeming love for humanity. It's a really good story, and we all love good stories. We all love beautiful stories, and we all have great stories to tell, stories of our lives. Your mom has a story, your dad has a story, your brother and your sister, they have stories. The person who might have checked you out at the convenience store as you paid for gas this morning on your way to work, they have a story as well. Here at SPUMC, we are beginning an initiative. It's called Tell Your Story. We're encouraging folks to tell the story of their life. Whether it's from a crisis center or a Christian home, we have beautiful stories to tell, and it's an opportunity for us to reveal how God's great redeeming love for all of humanity manifests itself in our lives, in humans' lives as individuals. We hope you'll consider telling your story. If you'd like to tell your story, you can contact me. You'll find my contact information on the website, on the staff page. You can also contact another staff person, Ashley Cross. Her contact information is there, and we'll make sure you have the opportunity to tell your story. This is a wonderful opportunity for the world to hear how God's love manifests itself in my life, in your life, in our lives as individuals. We hope you'll consider telling your story. Thank you.